Labubu, labulabu, labubu, labulabu, labubu. Hello viewers, welcome to Sarika's Art Funders. One child has brought Labubu to show me. Now we are going to see Labubus made by our students S.I.C.E.S High School, AMBERNATH West. They have created beautiful Labubus with wool, cotton, tissue papers and Turkish towel. Let us see. These Labubus are made with cotton and color. Wool. Labubu made with wool. Made with wool. So nicely. Rare Labubu made with wool. See the spontaneous response of our school student for making the project of collage work Labubu. I am very happy to see their response. Labubu made with cotton and wool. This is cotton. Turkish towel. So nicely. Wool. They have cut the wool in small pieces and created Labubu. This Labubu he has made with small cotton balls and he has colored it. It looks very nice. Towel, Turkish towel. Made with Turkish towel. I am very happy to see their response and their creativity and dedication to art. They were very happy to make the Labubus. I told them, instead of buying expensive Labubus, make it with your own hand and be creative and innovative. So nice Labubus. Please share, comment.